Good morning!
Morning.
Mapay pagmata.
Ah,
Ang namay nanuktok ko din is balay kay na aday to'y gideliver. Nya. Pretty soon I gonna start my activities and unbox this package here that I got. I'm really thinking to make a tutorial about affiliate, but I cannot locate the video that I saved in my computer because maybe next time I will gonna post that video. And right now, unbox the one that I order online.
we're going to unbox our first box.
Ta-da! What it is?
Chocolate. A piece of Reese's.
I think this is the sa online man yun ni ay. Barato, dos.
Reese's.
Para sa box.
Wait, what's this box for? Another candy.
I like these peanut butter cups.
I like these Reese's.
Na ay barato na lang kay Valentine's man. Huma namang Valentine. There it is.
Oh, there we go.
Bastang luyag tiil. Ay, tiil pa ba ni imo? Tuhod pa ba? Okay. It's a little bit bigger. It's size 7. Maybe I need size 6.
Ha.
On clearance.
Yeah.
What you got? Okay, broadside dark chocolate.
Mm.
I added this acai and blueberry flavor. I added this because so I can get the free shipping. So now I got this. Can you believe like the original price is $35 and then they are on sale for $10 or $7? So this is really good time to gather all the winter clothes for the next year. So it's more cheaper. Stock up.
Stock up. Ah. This is a bigger jacket. Hey, look. This is
Wow,
what?
that's a good quality
Check out
jacket.
the jacket.
Because you go to school, so you need jacket.
Yeah, I zip it up by myself. Let's try it. When I go and almost zip this up to the school after I leave.
Oh, that's a good one. I'm hunting for a good jacket for next year. That is not a popper because usually our dog jump on him and it ripped up the popper jacket. The material is really thin.
Yes, like Asia did. I can't go back to school with that. Last year I go back to school with that.
And
I zip up on my own.
yes,
Let's see
this
from
one is buttons.
buttons.
So
Mommy,
it's fuzzy inside.
yeah, and
And
Asia.
it's Urban Republic.
Mommy,
Guess where I ordered this? Urban Republic. Because usually in Walmart online, they have a lot of brand now. They even have,
Mommy, this is tough for Asian Nugget.
yes, they have branded like different kind of brand of, before they don't have it, but now they have and they are on sale. It's really dark because I only use that light there. And I like their fuzzy. I stack up clothes for the next year. What I did, or after winter, all the winter clothes will go on sale. So that's the time that we grab and stack up for the next year. That's how we save up some money. I kind of hunting for a jacket that's the outer is cloth or a nylon because the proper type of jacket, it's thin. Look, it's really thin, so our dog will jump. Really, his jacket, my kid jacket, ripped up because it's, for some reason, yeah, it's nice jacket because it called popper. When it's cold, it pops. So all the popper jacket will go in here. Not also only jacket, I bought also shoes, stack up shoes for the kid. If they're still available, yeah, there's a lot online and kind of looks like this is size 7, I think. Winter jacket for next year is taken care, so I don't need to buy, and I only spend not really much for that. So I'm gonna put it in there and for next year. So for mothers, if you want to save up some money for your kids, especially if you have one or two kids, stock up is a good thing in here. Here in USA, every season, like after the season, like winter, that's the time that all the clothes will go down or on clearance most of the time. And then that's the time we buy it and then stack up like this. You know, we didn't really pay this much. I will show one example here. The Oshkosh. Look how much we save up. And I only paid $2.99. And there's one. $5.49. And this is my this one. And this is my stack up last year. And yeah, he can use this in coming, you know, school year. And I have to check this out when it's all ready, because some of it is bigger and some of it is smaller. Just like this. Look. But this in the large, it's like that. But it's already on sale. I think under %. I don't know how much is that. Yeah, that's $18 for that. But because it's on sale, I paid not much. Yeah, just like this. It's really a good deal. I don't pay full price, that's for sure. I will tell you one thing. If you want to save up some money, then any kind of store. I think I only go to the store that's closer to my house. Close in our place, it's Walmart. So Walmart or Dollar General, or usually Walmart, they have and you know, they put a tag that is not changed, just like, for example, this one. This tag, it's hanging in there, it's full price. But then it's in the section and clearance section, but it's full price. Don't be deceived. It's not really full price. Why they put it in clearance section if they sell it full price, right? So I am curious. So what I did, since if you want it, download Walmart app. Just example in, you can do that in Target or different kind of store, but I just use Walmart app. Download their app, and then you click their app and it will open up, and you can see the upper right na ay murag barcode nga nasa kilid. You click that one, and once you click it, use that to scan in the store. Then you will gonna know it's not full price. In fact, sometimes it's $3, $17 down to $3. Sometimes it's $1 or $5. It depends. So I will show it to you how. If you are like me that likes to send boxes in the Philippines for our family, that's what I did. So I will show it to you here. What did I do last week? Okay? Okay. Hold on. This set, you won't believe this. This was before. Supposed to be, this is $20 for a set like this in the store, but guess how much I paid for this? Less than $4. And I grab a lot, few sizes, and some they put like $, and I only pick up few. And after every occasion, like Valentine's, see, wow, 49 cents. Kid can wear this one even it's not Valentine's. Doesn't matter, especially if you send this in the province. And this one, you can, they're on sale for $1, but the reality is the price is not really that much expensive. This one, I picked this one $2 for 2. Mura man nagtapok-tapok ba nga mga kuan. Oh, tapok, kamatis, duhay piso, ana bitaw. Ingani pud sinina diri murag nahug na punig ingani. Then this one, nagbitay ni didto sa 17.98, but when I scan in my app, it come out, I think it's $5. Yeah, and it's a good review. So I grabbed these for next year, and these two, it's on sale and stock up for next year. And this clothing, since they call that one Valentine's Day. You can wear this one even it's not Valentine's Day or Christmas. It's for my mga pamangkin. Supposed to be this is the real price, but then it go down to this. Some of it there's no tag, some they have tag. All you do is just use your app and scan. Okay, that's all. And not only the kids, they also have adult. That's how I get my, this one is $3, I think. Okay. That's how I get my, I gather new clothes and then less price and put it in my in the box. It's really a good deal. So you wanna break your bank. And not only clothing but shoes too. So these shoes, they're on sale now. They even have Coach, and they're a different kind of brand in Walmart store online. This one I buy. It's not really expensive. Look, I'll show it to you. At least the quality here in the USA is for export. I grabbed the shoes because they are on sale now for $3. And this is for my family down in the Philippines. So I grabbed few. And online too, like in Old Navy or in different kind of website online. You wanna believe it, this one, I think Old Navy, I only pay $3 or $5 before. And even this kind of shoes, supposed to be it's $20, but I only pay not like that. I don't pay full price. And not only that, even this watch, Timex watch. See, that's $34.92, the original price. But how much I pay? $9, I think, or 11, something like that. Not only that, but this one too. I always have a great deal like this. I know I shared that one, but I'll just let you know that not always. Most of my friends, and guess even chocolate. I thank you for watching my video and hope everything is fine with you. And this season there's a lot of sale, and just buy what you need because I learned my lesson, and there is more out there if you need it, but you got to be wise. Thank you for being there, and hopefully next time we'll share you more information about it if you want to. Bless you. Bye bye.